shot, moving up now on the years, there is a Ulrika Champa, and now saying it's my turn to take the lead. We are Ulrika Champ with a breakaway run by about 3 lengths on our Barkadahan, Watulko is on the outside. Last 75 meters, we have Ulrika Champ followed by Barkadahan, and finally the program of the year for the year 2014, Ulrika Champ, then comes Barkadahan, Watulko. Flash away, then comes Shades of Red and Diridon. Palakpakan now coming closer down on the inside as they come there at the last 150. Silver move, Palakpakan is running by there. Palakpakan, Silver move, fighting out for the lead. Palakpakan now takes the lead over Silver move. Palakpakan now strikes away. And finally, Palakpakan. Silver move, unless it's touched, then comes Quicker Seal. Golden move. Graceful Nonor. Running in second, good moves, digging Barura. Power over, spreading out, here comes Sugar Free. How did you know? As they swing for home, it's still, Minstrel is by some 3 lengths. Good move, is squeezing in between noses. And Leica in Manila for the outside. Leica in Manila, good move. And finally, Leica in Manila. Good move, all Minstrel, Sugar Cream up at the east for your Super 6 least delicious. Basic Instinct flying on her, likewise riding at the sin, and they are now entering the home stretch. Leonor is standing on, flying on her. Basic Instinct is on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Leonor is standing on, running by the ring. Leonor is standing on, Leonor standing on, Leonor followed by standing on, and finally Leonor is standing on. Then comes Basic Instinct, flying on her belly flats, and Green Lover. Penny Perfect, drives back in third, then followed by Gentle Soul in fourth. Next in line, Sugar Crush, as they come to the last 150. And it's still Shining Moment. Now he strikes away by about 5 lengths. Ibiza, Penny Perfect is on the outside. Last 50 meters from gate to wire, it's Shining Moment. Penny Perfect, Ibiza, then comes Humble Pie. Gentle Soul, Sugar Crush. As they swing for home, Snake Queen moving up now in the middle portion. Yellow Citizen for the outside, Mika, then followed by Angat Tampinoya. But still Snake Queen leads by some 2 lengths above Yellow Citizen, Mika, and finally Snake Queen. Yellow Citizen. Angat ang Pinoy, Mika, John's Memory, and My Peace comes in last. Redemption in fourth, Best Guys now coming closer in fifth, and in sixth, Babes Bad Guys, they come to the last 150, and it's still Lucky Dad City, Sevierum, Best Guys, Redemption, Lucky Dad City, Sevierum, moving up, Best Guys on the outside, City, Sevierum, Best Guys, there the out, but it's still Sevierum. Best Guys, then comes Lucky Touch, Babes Magic, Redemption, Yes Boy, Mr. Integrity. Silver Green Ibawa, while my Bukas pa still running in a field of Pira, as they swing for home, Senor leads by some 3 lengths now. Peran running in second, around the outside, third now, Shirley Damari. Driver King got to know, but still Senor, and finally